At INTEX Millwork Solutions, we're perfecting the art of designing exterior architectural elements that combine timeless charm with high-tech performance.
INTEX aluminum reinforced cellular PVC millwork is long-lasting, beautifully designed, and fine-tuned for manufacturing precision, ensuring every piece is perfectly rendered every time.
INTEX is very diversified. They'll make anything that you can come up with.
We would definitely use INTEX products on anything we can going forward.
We're so confident in our products that we stand behind them for a lifetime.